Luther, this is for my YouTube channel. I want you to say hey to my subscribers. Oh, you're blowing your nose right now. It's okay. They know I'm about crazy. Okay, yeah. So this is Mr. Luther Taylor. He's one of my favorite team leaders. Is there anything you want to tell the public, Luther?
Yes, happy Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Hey, Cupid shoots that arrow so fast you can't get out of the way sometimes, and it's all good. So hey, just enjoy. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Yes, we love you, Mr. Luther. You're always awesome. Now I'm going to go over here to the computer and actually do some work. Good night, Miss Trina. All right. Hi, Luther. Happy Valentine's. Yes, ma'am.